1, 2, 3. Ano na, darama, tuwing makikita kang dumarating. Tuliro, di malaman ang gagawin at walang sinumang makapipigil sa akin. At wala nang ibang makapagbabago ng aking isip sa'yo na arama. Anong nadarama ngayon at nandirito ka sa aking tabi? Tuliro, di malaman ang gagawin at walang sinumang makapipigil sa akin. At wala nang ibang makapagbabago ng aking isip sa'yo.
Hybrid with the song Tolero from Stan Cola, right? Okay. Judges, magical words. Yes, Sir Aldrin.
Paano ba to?
Sige, nahihirapan si Sir Aldrin mag-yes.
Oh, Sir Aldrin, what
Or
do you think?
mag-no.
They have the potential, yes, but for now, okay, sige. Medyo boring kasi yung performance nyo. Kulang kayo sa appeal. Pero yung pag-deliver mo ng kanta, is nakikita na mas gaganda pa siya at nakikita kong in a short time, kayang mag-improve. So for now, I'll give you a chance, so yes.
Yeah! First, yes!
Okay, yes, but there is a room for improvement. Let's hear from
Yeah.
Miss Sel.
Oo, kailangan talaga yun. Tom, you really have grown so fast. Ang naalala ko, ang sinasayaw mo lang, tsaka kinakanta yung mga Michael Jackson thing, no? Nagulat ako. That was so cute. It's a yes.
Yay! Second, yes!
Okay, what I like about this group is that you're performing as a group. You let everyone shine. Diba? So, hi Damon.
Hi.
Okay, what do you think will I answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
And you got it right. It's a yes.
Yeah! Triple yes!
Damon,
Congratulations, first year students!
Someone wants to say hi. Nandun siya, oh. Si Ma'am Joanne, what do you want to say to her?
Oy, napangiti siya nung sinabi si Ma'am Joanne!
Hi, Ma'am Joanne. Hi.
Hi.
Sige na.
Thank you very much, first year. Congratulations!
Congratulations!